When a person wants to overcome an addiction, they need rehabilitation treatment. Many people ask, how do residential and outpatient rehab programs compare? Keep watching to find out. Residential versus outpatient. Without professional addiction treatment, people face devastating health, career, financial, and social outcomes. Treatment programs include inpatient, intensive outpatient, and outpatient care. It's important to find the best program to fit the individual's needs. Inpatient treatment. Residential or inpatient rehab programs involve around-the-clock care. The person stays at the facility for the entire treatment time. They receive medical and therapeutic care around the clock. A multidisciplinary treatment team designs an individualized plan of care for each resident. Treatment activities often include individual counseling and group meetings. They may receive medication related to rehab treatment. The medical staff also gives medication for any other medical conditions. Residential programs are often more effective for long-term addiction patients. Some individuals need hospitalization to receive comprehensive medical care as they undergo detoxification. The detox process can have life-threatening consequences without proper care. Patients are often admitted to the hospital for the following problems: severe withdrawal, including delirium tremens, which causes tremors, anxiety, disorientation, and hallucinations, severe overdose with symptoms of respiratory distress, seizures, or coma, persons with acute or chronic medical conditions that are exacerbated by substance withdrawal, significant psychiatric problems that increase their risk of harming themselves or others, acute substance dependence which hasn't responded to other less intensive treatment programs. Once the patient has stabilized, they can move to a less restrictive environment. This may include a residential program or an intensive outpatient program. Outpatient treatment. There are two main types of outpatient treatment programs. These include intensive outpatient programs, IOPs, and outpatient programs, OPs. The level of treatment depends on the individual's needs. Intensive outpatient program. An IOP program addresses problems including addiction, depression, eating disorders, and other forms of dependencies. Individuals must not need detoxification or 24-hour supervision. These patients live at home and continue their daily lives. Some IOPs serve as transition programs for patients who are completing inpatient treatment. This helps develop support mechanisms to help manage relapses and promote coping strategies. Outpatient program. Outpatient program participants also live at home and go to work or school as normal. They attend regular treatment sessions 1 to 3 days a week. This program usually lasts between 1 and 1.5 months. Participants eligible for this type of program include men or women ages 18 years and older. They may have just completed an IOP and use this as the next transition stage. The goal of this type of program is to provide ongoing supportive care. It helps people practice healthy living and coping skills learned in treatment. Clients also receive assistance in developing and reaching life goals. Outpatient therapy includes activities that help patients reflect on issues related to addiction. They identify emotional responses. This knowledge helps them understand how addiction limits and impacts beliefs and behaviors. Another important component of all types of rehab is an emphasis on individual and family therapy. Everyone involved with the person has been impacted, so family therapy works to identify and resolve issues related to addiction. If you or someone you know suffers from an addiction or mental health problems, you've come to the right place. At Sober Life Treatment Center, San Diego, we offer partial hospitalization and intensive outpatient treatment. Our program is based on evidence-based approaches. We focus on healing past trauma and attachment issues. In response to changing times, we now offer a virtual outpatient program for California residents. Contact us today to ask questions and learn more about our programs. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.